Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Thursday weather video brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. We've had a bit of a wet and windy night and a bit of a wet and windy morning. Things have cleared up a little bit in the north. This satellite image was taken Thursday morning. Couple of showers, big downpours around Northland, only lighter ones a bit further south, but as the day goes on, we could see some big heavy falls popping up once again. Very humid stream of air there, but also a very fine line between that and the clear dry weather. We even saw a few sunny spells popping into the north there, and sunnier and dry for some in the east. But look, here's that big low. It is still sitting down here and it's still churning away, driving in these nor'westers, so we've still got more wind and rain to go for another perhaps 12 to 24 hours. It is clearing up though as we head in towards the weekend. By the way, that over there, Cyclone Winston, still a severe cyclone and is going to track back this way up and towards the north, but still a big question mark about what's going to happen next week with it. No direct hit for New Zealand at this stage. We'll certainly keep you up to date. Let's have a look at the wind and rain maps now as we move through. For Friday, you can see those showers still lingering around the west coast, but the low falling apart now down here in the Southern Ocean. There are a couple of showers maybe lingering around the north up here, particularly the northeastern corner of the North Island. Fair bit of humidity sitting around there and still getting caught up in those humid northerlies or northeasterlies. So there might be a few showers and maybe a couple of lingering ones, a bit of cloud lingering around, and the humidity means it's just still a little bit unstable, but the sou'wester does swing through as the day goes on. That will be refreshing for a number of areas in the north in particular where it's been pretty humid. All right, there's a look into the weekend now, and you can see this little front coming through on Saturday. It's not a huge amount of rain, just a few showers on the west coast and maybe only a shower on the eastern side there. Another couple of showers come back later on in the day towards Southland, and it's mostly dry in the north, but again, because there's been a fair bit of humidity around, bit of cloud, I won't rule out the chance of an isolated coastal shower somewhere around the North Island, but it's mainly dry there with west to southwest winds or light winds. And finally Sunday, high pressure back out here in the Tasman Sea. That is sliding on in for the next 2 or 3 days after this. A couple of showers around the eastern side there, not much, mainly out at sea, just in this little change sweeping through like that. Otherwise, settled with the temperatures just dropping back a little bit on where they've been perhaps over the last week. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long 10-day forecast, go to Sky Channel 081 for Country TV.